What is going on, Master Chica fans? Today we are fishing again, but this time it's with a different friend of mine. His name is Matthew Feeney, and I'm gonna have to see if he wants to be on YouTube or not. But it's a pretty similar to yesterday. A little bit of a lighter bit of rain, but let's see if we can do the same. I'm about to show you guys all my gear that I got yesterday, and I'm gonna show you guys what I'm gonna be doing. Starting off with this. The fishing spot that we are going to has a little metal crate here. So we come around to this one little side, we scoop the fish up, and there's the fish. And a nice little bucket for the live shiners that we get. Yeah, gonna let rainwater out. Then over here we got ugly stick rod with a little slip shot weight with a float. This is with the knot, it's the same one, with a little tiny hook. This is for the live shiners. And over here we have a little bit of a lighter rod over here with a curly tail grub. This is how I actually caught my biggest fish, actually. The little curly tail grub caught a nice 6-pound pickerel yesterday. So we're gonna try to do the same. We're gonna first go to Belson Bait Tackle, get some nice live shiners. Then we're gonna go out to the same place that we went to and try to catch some more fish. I'll see you guys with my friend Matthew.
Alrighty, Matthew, what did you just catch?
I caught a fish!
It's a crappie. By the way, guys, if you guys don't know, this is Matthew's first time fishing. Wanna throw it back? Throw it back. Walk out. Yeah, just jump. See you later, buddy. Yeah! Matthew just got a second fish in the little black crappie. Throw it back in. Throw it back in. Crappies in the boots.
What'd you catch?
I got a nice little yellow perch right here. They have very sharp spines right here, all along their body. Beautiful little guy. This guy needs to go back. Alrighty, guys. That one.
Bye-bye.
Bye-bye. Let's hook that other one with a female. No, that's gonna be up there. Now we gotta try to find another hook. Because that
What'd you catch?
nice little crappie right here, probably about 2-3 pounds. Nothing too big. Let's start that. It's been such a long time doing something. Okay, got two. Okay, now it's been such a long time since we got a fish. First fish in a long time.